Welcome back to the Everyday Workbench. We've got an old drafty window. Cold air is pouring in. I'm going to show you 3 ways to stop that cold air from getting into your house, and it doesn't involve that ugly window plastic. Now, if you have an old window with cold air pouring into the house, sometimes it's easy as taping up those cracks and those gaps. And we're going to use transparent weather sealing tape. All it is clear tape, but it's going to cover those gaps and the cracks where that cold air is pouring into the house. And one item I love to use is caulk, but not regular caulk because that means it's just going to glue your window shut. We're going to use Seal and Peel, which is a temporary caulk. We can apply this in the fall and peel it off in the spring. Sometimes you can use Caulking Cord. It's a type of weather strip. They call it Weather Seal, but really what it is, it's a clay-like product that you can pull out, and it shapes and it bends and it forms to get into those hard to reach areas where cold air is pouring into the house. Now, if you've got a drafty window and you want to stop that cold air from coming in, just look in the comments. I've got the links to all the products that I used on this drafty window. All easy to use, all relatively inexpensive. Find those in the comments. If you have a question about drafty windows, leave that in the comments as well. And as always, thank you for watching the Everyday Workbench.